Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix ChatGPT too many request error. And here's how it is done. If you're experiencing the too many request error while using ChatGPT, it can be frustrating. Here are some steps that may help fix it. 1. Check for server issues. Visit a site like Is ChatGPT Down to see if OpenAI servers are experiencing problem. If an outage is reported, it is likely causing the error. In that case, waiting for the servers to be restored is the best solution. 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. If there are no server issues, clearing your browser's cache and cookies may help. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and delete the cache and cookies. Afterward, revisit ChatGPT, log in again, and see if the issue is resolved. And that's everything you need to know about how to fix ChatGPT too many requests error. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.